Hi, my name is Emmanuel Kalusi. I am a technical consultant at Hewlett-Packard Enterprise, based at the HPE Customer Innovation Center in Geneva. The purpose for this videos is to show you benefits to use persistent memory and NVMe disk for database workloads. NVMe, Non-Volatile Memory Express, is a new protocol for accessing high-speed storage media that brings many advantages compared to legacy protocols. NVMe is a high-performance and highly scalable storage protocol that connects the host to the memory subsystem. The protocol is relatively new, feature-rich, and designed from the ground up for non-volatile memory media directly connected to CPU via PCI interface. The protocol is built on high-speed PCI Express lanes. PCI Express Gen 3.0 link can offer transfer speed more than 2 than that of SATA interface. The NVMe protocol capitalizes on parallel, low-latency data paths to the underlying media, similar to high-performance processor architectures. This offers significantly higher performance and lower latencies compared to legacy SAS and SATA protocols. This not only accelerates existing applications that require high performance, but it also enables new applications and capabilities for real-time workload processing in the data center and at the edge. Persistent memory, PMEM, is a solid-state high-performance byte-addressable memory device that resides on the memory bus. Being on the memory bus allows PMEM to have DRAM-like access to data, which means that it has nearly the same speed and latency of DRAM and the non-volatility of NAND flash. Intel has been a fantastic HPE partner from the very beginning. In fact, we have been co-developing persistent memory from the earliest days because we both understand the promise of this new persistent memory technology. Intel brings some interesting innovation with Optane technology that is simply not available anyplace else. HPE Persistent Memory is the first persistent memory product that offers 2 different operating modes, Memory Mode and App Direct Mode. Customers can choose which mode is active and available to software. Mixed Mode is also available, which is a combination of Memory Mode and App Direct Mode, where a portion of the capacity of the PMM is used for the Memory Mode operations, and the remaining capacity of the DCPMMs is used for the App Direct Mode operations. HPE Persistent Memory improved business outcomes and reduced TCO for different workloads. So after this theoretical presentation, let us go to practice. The demo platform consists of one node for client loader. This node uses Microsoft benchmark tools, Benchcraft. A second node for database server. This node have 3 configurations, one configuration with SSD disk, one configuration with NVMe disk, and one configuration with persistent memory. We used Microsoft benchmark tools Benchcraft to generate a TPCC workload that we launched in the 3 configurations. Before each configuration change, the database is restored. The methodology we followed consisted of first starting the OLTP workload from the driver interface and waiting for it to reach steady state for 30 minutes with 40 threads. Launch of the first run, SSD configuration. After 30 minutes, we get about 4.7 million transactions per minute. Launch of the second run, NVMe configuration. After 30 minutes, we get about 5.9 million transactions per minute. Launch of the third run, persistent memory configuration. In this run, persistent memory was used in App Direct Mode. by setting volatile memory capacity to 0 in the BIOS HPE Persistent Memory configuration options. After 30 minutes, we get about 7 million transactions per minute. Comparing the performance of all three configurations, we find that the configuration with HPE Persistent Memory clearly outperform peer configurations using NVMe and SSD storage devices. The testing has demonstrated the performance benefits of configuring MEM modules for SQL Server 2019 workload. HPE Persistent Memory provides fast, high-capacity, cost-effective memory and storage and will transform workloads and analytics possibilities in the data center by enabling data to be stored, moved, and processed at unprecedented speed, which improves total cost of ownership. HPE Persistent Memory or NVMe storage are benefits for database workload. They allow you to accelerate your infrastructure, to have low total cost of ownership and proven reliability. Thanks for watching.